our calendar. Okay, now, Friday was the 11th. Does anyone know what number comes after 11? Show me a thumb if you know what number comes after 11. Um, Caden, what number comes after 11? You,
12.
12. You're right. Where's my cursor? There it goes. 12. All right. Caden, what number comes after 12? Go ahead, Caden. Keep going. Caden, what comes after 12? Unmute your mic.
13.
13. Good job. All right. Does anyone know what number comes after 13? This is today's number. Ansley, do you know what number comes after 13? By any chance? 14. Good job, Ansley. Good job, Caden. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Mr. Chen.
Hi, Michaela. Yes?
Today's my mommy's birthday.
Yep, mommies have to work. All right, today is Monday.
My mommy's birthday.
Oh, birthday, not workday. Got it. Ooh, okay, we'll talk about that in a minute. All right, so yesterday was 13. Today is 14. Does anyone know what number comes after 14? Jane, first thumb I saw. Tell us, Jane.
Um, 14.
What's after 14?
13.
Bigger than 14. What's one after 14? 11, 12, 13, 14,
15.
15. Good job. All right. Let's move on to our morning message. Today is September 14th. Michaela, now tell us your awesome news. Michaela, tell us what you just said. We'll write it down.
Today's my mommy's birthday.
All right. Today is Michaela's mommy's birthday. All right. Anyone else have a story they want to share? Asen, you know what? You were telling a story before class started. Did you want to tell it again?
Yes.
Okay.
I went on vacation to the city.
Asen went on vacation to the city. All right, let's read it together. Today is September 14th. Today is Michaela's mommy's birthday. Asen went on vacation to the city. All right, let's go to our 10 frames. All right, I'm gonna move one over. Oh, we finished a whole line of counters. Who thinks that they can count the counters? Sophia looks like she's in the mood to count counters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many days have we been in school, Sophia? Say it with confidence. Say 5. All right, someone else, say 5. Anyone, say 5. All right. Today's the 5th day of school. That's awesome. Let's keep going. We're going to put another tally mark. And notice how this tally mark is going to be diagonal. Who thinks that they can count the tally marks? Mark, can you count it?
One, two, three, four, and five.
Good job, Mark. There. Today's the 5th day of kindergarten, so it's number 5. All right, we are moving on. We're moving our circle over. How about Sawyer? What number is the circle on today, Sawyer?
I can't hear you.
Do you know what number this is?
No.
Okay, tell you. Let's count it together, Sawyer. Are you ready? 1, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, Sawyer. All right. All right, I need a weather person because I do not have a window. Open window in my classroom. Charlotte's here. Shout out Charlotte. Hey. Charlotte, what's the weather today? Is today rainy, snowy, sunny, windy, cloudy? What do you think? Wow, Charlotte just was like, you know what? I don't want to be weather person. All right, Jane, what's the weather today? Take a guess. Sunny? What do you think? Sunny? All right, we'll say sunny.
Mr. Chen.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Chen.
Yes.
I have a new watch.
You're what?
I have a new watch.
Nice. All right.
And it comes with it.
All right, my friends, we are going to I'm hearing reverb. I'm sorry. I'm going to start muting some people. I'm still hearing some reverb. All right. My friends, what we're going to do today is we are going to work on a shape book. All right. This week we are talking about shapes. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to work on this book for a couple days. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to identify shapes. We're going to talk about the sides and the vertices of shapes. And then we're going to start looking for shapes all around us and learn how to draw shapes. But first, we're going to learn how to identify some shapes. So I'm going to show you a shape. And if you think you know what it is, show me a thumb. What shape is this? If you know, then show me a thumb. Oh, I know one person knows. 2. Is that it? Asen, what shape is this?
Circle.
It is a circle. All right, let's see if we can make it bigger. All right, good job, Asen. Let's give him a fireworks cheer. Good job, Asen. All right, let's go to the next one. Show me a thumb if you know what this one is. Katerina, Sailor, can you press the red button and tell us what shape this is?
It's a square.
It is a square. All right.
The shape of the book.
Now, what is different? What's the difference between a circle and a square? Does anyone know? Asen?
A square has 4 sides and a circle has no side.
That is a great answer. Hold on, where's my celebration button? Give me a second. I need to do a celebration button for my friend Asen. Oh, wrong one. That one. There you go. Celebration button for Asen. All right. A square has straight sides. All right. A circle is round. We're going to talk more about that tomorrow. All right. I want to get through more shapes. Caden, do you know what shape this is, my friend?
A triangle.
Good job. And how many sides do you see on a triangle, Caden?
3.
3. Okay. Now, Caden, a vertice are the angles on a shape. How many vertices do you see?
3.
Good job. 3 vertices also. All right. Does anyone know what shape this is? Michaela.
I do.
I'm calling on my friend Michaela.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And how many sides do you see on the rectangle?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many vertices or corners do you see on the rectangle?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. All right. Does anyone know what this one is? Olivia Ibanez. What shape is this?
A diamond.
It is a diamond. Do you know another name for a diamond?
Around.
Good job. All right, my friends, I know a lot of people call it a diamond, but since this is math class, we're going to call it a rhombus. Say rhombus. All right, no one. Everyone say rhombus. All right, a diamond is a gemstone that you put a ring on it. A rhombus is a shape with no right corners. All right, so we're going to say rhombus. All right, hard one for all you smart math people, which is everyone in this classroom. What is this hard shape?
I do.
Mark! Go for it.
What shape is stepping?
Show me a thumb if you can help my friend Mark out in case he gets stuck. Mark, what is this shape? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Michaela, what shape is this? Do you know?
It's a hexagon.
Hexagon. Mark, say hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Good job. Let me do my celebration button for Mark and for Michaela. Psh. All right.
I don't know what that that button.